Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com for more on our online courses. The other day I was out for a drink with a friend of mine and we overheard a grimly comic conversation at the table next to us. There was a middle-aged guy sitting there who had clearly had a few too many, and he was talking to his friend and he suddenly pulled out his mobile phone and said, "One moment, I've just got to call my mum. Oh, Jesus, I mean my wife, not my mum." His friend looked at him in a slightly strange way and said, "My God, that was a very Freudian slip." If you describe a slip of the tongue or an accidental mistake as a Freudian slip, you basically mean that you think it reveals some deeper subconscious feelings that the other person has. Obviously, this comes from the ideas of Sigmund Freud. A classic example happened yesterday on British TV actually, where the new Chancellor of the Exchequer, a man called Jeremy Hunt, was introduced by a broadcaster as, "And now the new Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt." Hunt. A very Freudian slip, which speaks for many of us in the nation. Another example from a politician was an American politician who recently was caught on camera saying, "I'll never stop standing up for Big Pharma and the big drug companies." Standing up to. Because obviously, if you stand up for someone, you support them. If you stand up to them, you fight back against them. Another classic example might be if there's someone that you fancy, someone that you find very attractive and would maybe like to have a relationship with, and you're trying to get in with them by offering to help them. You hear that they're going to be arriving at the airport late one night, and you might offer to drive them somewhere by saying, "I'll lick you up from the airport." "Oh God, I'm so sorry. Pick you up. I'll pick you up." Oh, very Freudian. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section, we'd love to see examples of Freudian slips that you've come across.